Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Infosys S&P Global, the hiring next mail update that is related to test mail. Infosys team is sending the update that is related to springboard internship, and S&P Global sending the group discussion invite S&P Global group number 1. Like and share the video. Let's start the video. I already shared this opportunity on our channel on the 4th August, and I clearly mentioned that freshers can apply Infosys, S&P Global. So this hiring is for the freshers batch, and if I'm talking about S&P Global 23-24 batch can apply, and if I'm talking about the Infosys springboard, so they mention that undergraduate 3rd or 4th year of college university. So depends on them whether they are mentioning, like in the form they mention 24, 25, 26 and 27 batch, but depends on them. This type of update is received by candidate, and Infosys springboard internship update, and the update is related to Infosys springboard. And dear internship applicant, this is mail to confirm your nomination for internship 5.0 with Infosys springboard. As communicated, you are expected to complete the recommended course on Infosys springboard platform. Click here to start your journey. For example, if you opted artificial intelligence, start with the course under AI. The deadline to complete this recommend course is August 2024. So they clearly mention that, and everything is mentioned on this page. Like who can apply, how to apply, fill the nomination form. Nomination form is already closed on August 6th. Start your learning journey here. Registration does not confirm. They mention that the internship aim to give project experience to student, hence working professional and alumni of previous batch need not to apply for this program. That's the main thing. So this is related to that, and you have to complete the chosen technology theme by August 2024. You received this type of update. Complete this Infosys springboard internship. Let's discuss about S&P Global 23 24 batch can apply for the opportunity. And this opportunity is the biggest opportunity that I posted. Just see that if you are from BTech, BCA, BSc, MCA, MSc, everyone can apply 23-24 batch. So candidate reach out me on LinkedIn. Hello sir, a few days ago you uploaded a video on YouTube about hiring opportunity at S&P Global for the role of apprentice. I applied for this role and I have been shortlisted for the first round, which will be group discussion. So I talked to candidate received the update, and candidate completed the group discussion round on 12 August. But basically one most important thing, candidates are receiving this update in the form of phases. Apprentice role at S&P Global, and it is clearly mentioned that it is apprentice role. And it is a 4th August video, and today is 13th August. So you seeing that like in the first HR gave us a topic, then one by one they ask to every candidate tell your opinion regarding this topic. This is related to GD. For GD group discussion you have to prepare, you can prepare from YouTube or online. After completing the GD, HR informed us that they will let us know about the second round in the upcoming days. That's the main thing. So basically topics are according to the team. There are lot of topics की टेक्नोलॉजी के उसमें मतलब क्या चेंजेस होना चाहिए, क्या सारी चीज़ें नई टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं. सो फॉर दैट GD आई सजेस्ट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर from Google or online. That's about the today's hiring video. I hope you like the video, and I am requesting again, apply for opportunity on daily basis. Thanks for watching the video.